In this video, we are going to take a look at the integral of 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus sin x dx using this identity. We know that our t equals to tan x over 2 and also our sin x equals to 2t divided by 1 plus 2 squared. And also we know that our cos x equals to 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. Then our dx equals to 2 over 1 plus t squared dt. Then we can easily substitute all these values into what? This integral. Such that this integral returns to integral of 1 divided by 1 plus our cos x is taken to be what? 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared. Then plus our sin x, which is what? 2t divided by 1 plus t squared times dx, which is what? 2 divided by 1 plus t squared dt. Right? So this one is in brackets, right? And also these ones are in the bracket. Then this integral will change into integral of 1 over 1 multiplied by this t1 is what? 1 plus t squared plus 1 minus t squared multiplied by what? This. So that this will cancel out this. We are having 1 minus t squared, right? Plus this cancel this. We are having what? 2t. Multiplied by what? 2 dt. Right? So here, 2 times 1, that's what? That's integral of 2 divided by 1 plus t squared plus 1 minus t squared plus 2t dt, right? So that this will change into bringing these two out. That will be what? 2 integral of 1 over 1 plus t squared plus 1 minus t squared plus 2t dt, right? If you take a look at this very well, this plus t squared can easily cancel out this minus t squared, right? So this integral will change into integral, 2 integral of 1 divided by what? 1 plus 1, that's what? 2 plus what? 2t dt, right? Here we can easily factorize what? 2 out, so that this will change into what? 2 integral of 1 over 2 into bracket 1 plus t dt, which is also the same thing as what? 2 divided by 2 integral of 1 divided by what? 1 plus t dt. 2 cancel out what? 2. So we are having integral of 1 divided by what? 1 plus t dt. So here we can easily use our u sub to what? To finalize the answer. Here we are having what? Let u equals to what? 1 plus t, right? So that our du dt equals to 1, making the u the solution to the formula, dt the solution to the formula. So we are having what? Du equals to what? Dt, which is also the same thing as what? Dt equals to what? Du. And here we are having integral of 1 over u du. We know that integral of 1 over u is also the same thing as what? Ln u. Then what's our u? Our u is taken to be what? To be 1 plus t. Here we are having what? Ln 1 plus t plus c. Then we can easily replace what? We know that our t equals to what? Tan x over 2. So that the final answer will be what? Ln 1 plus tan x over 2 plus c. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching.